I am here to welcome you all to this conference, which is the first of its kind. We have here many representatives from a large number of Asian countries, eminent demographers, and experts from various other countries. The subjects you are going to tackle are of high importance to all of us, indeed to the world at large, but more particularly to Asia. We are looking forward to this conference and the advice that all of you may give so that we can tackle these problems effectively. Our country has gone in for planning for economic and social growth, but it is obvious that planning depends on whom you plan for, how many people you plan for. Unless we have a fair idea of the population of a country as it is going to be, it is difficult to plan. Population growth becomes highly important not only for planning but for the social well being of the country. We in India have been trying to tackle this problem as best as we could. I confess that we have not succeeded remarkably, and the growth of population in this big country is rather alarming. It is not merely a question of providing food for a growing population, although that is a primary consideration. But generally, it is a question of providing the means for a good life, a healthy life for all the people who live in the country. We have thus to face a kind of race between the rate of economic growth and the rate in which population grows. Obviously, unless there is marked difference between the two, there won't be much economic growth. As population grows, it rather overwhelms the efforts we make towards economic growth. However much we may try, we do try to increase the pace of economic growth, the fact of population growth, even at a reduced pace, comes in the way of any marked improvement. I would like to congratulate the CAFE and associate organization who have convened this conference. The eCafe has recently held a very successful conference here. I think to discuss economic and trade matters, this brought together representatives of various countries in Asia and made them view the problems of this region in an integrated way. I believe very good work has been done and I congratulate the authorities.